The Adam and Eve story, a book written by Chan Thomas in 1963, was declassified by the CIA in 2013. It proposes a theory of Earth's history and human evolution that is vastly different from the traditional scientific and historical accounts. Of the over 200 pages originally printed, the CIA released the sanitized version of only 55 pages. Thomas makes many interesting claims in the book. Thomas claims that there was once a supercontinent called Pan, which existed around 50,000 years ago. This supercontinent was home to a highly advanced civilization called the Mother Culture that was destroyed by a cataclysmic event. Around 10,000 BC, a massive flood was caused by the dramatic shifting of the Earth's poles. He calls this event a crustal displacement and suggests that it was caused by a buildup of pressure within the Earth's core. The flood, caused by the pole shift, created new continents and destroyed old ones, including Pan. This flood reshaped the Earth's surface and was responsible for many of the geological features that we see today. According to Thomas, the survivors of the flood were the ancestors of modern humans, and they went on to found new civilizations, including the ancient Sumerians and Egyptians. He suggests that many of the ancient myths and legends from these cultures were actually distorted versions of the true history of humanity. Thomas further proposes that the story of Adam and Eve told in the Bible is a distorted version of this true history, and that they were two of the survivors who went on to found the first civilization. He also believes that the Garden of Eden was a real place located in what is now the Persian Gulf, which was the location of this civilization. Moreover, he claims that the first civilization was destroyed by a massive solar event, which wiped out most of humanity, and that this event was caused by a massive coronal ejection from the sun. Thomas warns about the potential for another cataclysmic event that could cause a global disaster similar to the one he believed occurred in the past, and that the same type of event that wiped out the first civilization and caused the flood could happen again in the near future.